Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to upgrade your Gmail or G Suite storage. If you're running out of space and struggling to receive emails, this simple guide will help you expand your storage efficiently. First, open your Gmail inbox in your preferred browser. Take a moment to scroll down and locate the storage indicator near the bottom left corner. This shows how much of your total storage you're currently using. Click directly on the storage information. This opens a new browser tab taking you to your Google One page where all your storage options are displayed. Here you'll see different storage plans with their capacities and prices. Take a moment to consider your needs. Do you need just a little extra space, or are you planning for significant growth in the future? Once you've chosen the plan that fits your needs, click on it. Review all details carefully, including the price and storage capacity, to make sure it's the right choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Google will ask for payment information. Double check everything before confirming to ensure accuracy. And that's it. With your upgraded storage, you'll have more space for emails, documents, photos, and videos. Your Gmail or G Suite is now set up to handle growing information seamlessly, keeping your communications uninterrupted. By efficiently managing and upgrading your storage, you can prevent running out of space and enjoy peace of mind knowing you have the room you need. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.